Hi, I'm Vivian Dancy. I'm the scheduling coordinator here at HR Staffing Solutions. We're always looking for qualified candidates like you to join our human resources team. Check out this opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a recruiter position. A few of the responsibilities that you can expect from this role are identifying, evaluating, and placing talent by exercising good decision-making skills, being responsible for the recruitment of candidates, including sourcing resumes, scheduling interviews, and interviewing, coaching and educating field employees on policies and procedures, and ensuring candidates meet the compliance requirements. If you have a bachelor's degree, knowledge of Microsoft Office, and excellent communication and customer service skills, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity will not last. Apply soon. I look forward to meeting you.